Guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to integrate Wave with Zapier. Zapier allows you to connect Wave to 5,000 plus apps like Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, and Shopify, automating repetitive tasks for you. Pretty useful. Let's get into how to integrate it. So first, you're gonna create a Zapier account. Just go to zapier.com and sign up or log in, and then you're gonna search for Wave in the Zapier app directory. Then connect Wave to Zapier. Now in your Zapier dashboard, you're gonna click Create Zap, and for the trigger app, just choose another app, for example, Shopify or Gmail. For the action app, you're gonna choose Wave Accounting. Next, authorize Wave access. Now, the first time you connect Wave, Zapier will prompt you to log into your Wave account and authorize permission. Once authorized, Wave will be available as an app in your Zaps. 4. Set up automation. Now, choose a trigger event, for example, new Shopify order. You're also going to choose a Wave action, for instance, create customer or create invoice. Map data fields between the apps, and once you're done, test your Zap and turn it on. Popular Wave Zaps, for examples, automatically add Gmail email attachments as receipts in Wave. You also have create a new customer in Wave when one signs up via Typeform. You also have sync sales data from Shopify or WooCommerce into Wave invoices. A pro tip, you can chain multiple steps in a Zap for more advanced automations. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.